Good morning, good afternoon, whenever you're viewing this. This week, all about beverages. There's no organizational chart to guide us because you have submitted some really great presentations on beverages. So at the end of this module, after viewing the beverage presentation ask and answer discussion exercise, and reviewing the materials that I've added, you should be able to suggest appropriate pairings of wine or other beverages with food, the types of spirits and their main ingredients, and then really importantly, when thinking about beverage service and serving responsibly, some risks and liabilities for restaurants and establishments when serving alcohol. So I have extended the due date because there are a couple of beverage discussions that I either couldn't open and I'm looking to get them open so that I can add them, and some others that need to be submitted. So I will be updating the discussion as I receive additional assignments. Let's skip right to that assignment right now so that you can see the layout of it. For the beverage presentations, I'm looking for you to ask one question and answer one question on any of the presentations. It doesn't have to be your own. So I've uploaded several of them so far, so you can just go ahead and click on each attachment to read or view or watch it, and then be able to click your replies to any of the questions and answers to add to the discussion. So I do look forward to you enjoying that particular activity. And next for this particular week's lessons, I do also have some instructional content, kind of a cheat sheet that I built of what beverages are and what they're made of and some examples of them. As well as thinking about bar and beverage operations. So we did spend the last couple of weeks talking about costing, right? And thinking about the cost percentages for liquor, beer, and wine. By looking at these numbers, liquor cost is 12%, beer costs 25%, wine costs 38%. If you are looking to open a restaurant and you were looking for the best beverage program to have in order to maximize your profits, you would look at a heavy liquor menu, because that has the least amount of cost associated with it. And then the other pointers on here, thinking about what could impact those costs. It could be training, heavy drag pours, not using the jiggers. It could be theft. It could be making sure that you have a good inventory system, that you're not having any waste, and then a couple of different other thoughts on preventing kind of the risk associated with beverages included here. And then on the next page, I do have a couple of fun videos that you could see the different craftsmanship involved in making some of the cocktails, which is a kind of a fun way to learn as well. So I do hope that you appreciate the beverage components this week. And one final thing to just highlight for upcoming events is next. Okay, by clicking on this syllabus tab here to the left, you can see a couple of the different upcoming things that we have with the beverage assignment and then the beverage presentations ask and answer. Remember, I've moved that out, so it's not due until March 8th, so it gives you a little bit more time. And then the other activity that you've already had assigned to you that you should be thinking about as we go through these food and beverage components in the next couple of weeks is the food and beverage assignment, which is due March 22nd. And then just as a reminder, optional office hours are available each Tuesday from 5 to 6 p.m. And then I do have other times available as needed. So I wish you a really great week ahead, and please let me know if you have any questions. Have a great week.